In this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT prompts. Let's get started. First, I click on the search bar and type a detailed prompt. I'm asking it to act as a certified strength and conditioning coach to create a structured 3-day, full-body beginner strength workout plan for a 30-year-old corporate office worker. I specify constraints like zero gym equipment required, a 20-minute completion time, and a clean, scannable markdown table displaying the exercises, sets, reps, and rest intervals. Once I send the prompt, the system quickly generates the plan, organizing it into day-by-day routines with specific bodyweight exercises tailored to office workers, highlighting key movements like bodyweight squats, incline push-ups, glute bridges, and planks. After reviewing the initial output, I decide to add a warm-up and cool-down routine to the plan to make it even more comprehensive. I click back into the chat bar and type a request to add a dedicated section below the table outlining a 3-minute dynamic warm-up routine and a 2-minute post-workout static stretching routine to help relieve lower back tightness from sitting all day. I press the send button, and ChatGPT updates the response, integrating the new warm-up and cool-down details seamlessly into the layout while adding helpful execution notes for progression and tempo control. Now, I want to make the routine safe for someone recovering from an injury. I go to the prompt bar again and type a modification request to adjust the entire 3-day workout table for an absolute beginner who is recovering from a minor ankle sprain, replacing any high-impact jumping movements with joint-friendly alternatives. I click send, and the AI processes the request, delivering an updated table focused on low-impact, ankle-safe exercises like supported squats and seated calf raises. It also updates the warm-up and critical recovery notes to match the new condition, ensuring safety comes first. Finally, I scroll through the entire output to review all the customized days, ensuring the adjustments match the visual breakdown perfectly. Generating a structured, custom workout plan is that simple. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.